If you've been thinking about taking tuition for your A-level classes, now is the best time to register because of all the perks that come with our priority registration exercise. Firstly, we'll waive the $100 registration fee as well as the $150 material fee. Secondly, enjoy discounted lesson rates. For our J2 students, our lessons are currently priced at $110 per on-site lesson and $105 for Zoom lessons. But if you registered before 31st December this year, you'll be able to lock in JC1 lesson rates at $100 per on-site lesson and $95 per Zoom lesson. For our JC1 students, your lessons are currently priced at $100 per on-site lesson and $95 per Zoom lesson. But if you register before 1st March 2025, you'll be able to get a free upgrade to our on-site plan while paying Zoom rates. For all students who pre-register before 31st December this year, you'll be able to get full access to our Essay and CSQ Booster online crash course program worth $400, as well as access to 4 JC1 recorded video lessons of your choice. If you register with a friend before 31st December this year, you'll both be able to enjoy full access to our 2025 March Holiday Topical Consolidation Crash Course. So what are you waiting for? Head on down to tuitiongenius.com/pre-register to secure your spot now. See you in class!